So we're gonna ride the train going to Universal Studios. Pero this time, this is not a subway train. Hindi na siya subway train. It's not a subway train.
Anong line? Sa kanya. Hindi, tapos meron pa tayo, wala pa tayo. Tapos meron pa tayo. Diyan pa yung pero walang English eh. Meron po.
Ah, 200 po.
200.
Dito kayo sa kabila, tapos baba kayo sa Nishikojo. Tapos transfer na kayo.
Dadaan muna kami.
Yeah, I just blow my nose.
右側が西洋です。行きのトイレは向かって左側にあります。
Oh, we still have this here. careful.
Yun yung pinagawa niya dito dati. Diba? Yung pinagawa niya dito.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wow! So, parang that concludes our trip na rin to Japan. So, it's a railway pala, hindi pala to subway. Is that the train? Wait. Si Kujo. Hindi natin alam eh. We don't know. Go faster, faster. So, dito na lang tayo.
路線外回り西九条大阪方面7時4分の発車です。発車まで1分少々お待ちください。
Ayun mo yun.
4番乗り場です。停車中の電車7時4分発西九条大阪方面に
Tama yun.
Iikot tayo.
Tama yun.
Five.
One. Nishikujo tayo lalabas. Alright, finally.
Imamiyaに着きます。お出口は右側です。JR 難波行きはお乗り換えです。列車とホームの間が少々空いているところがあります。お降りの際は足元にお気をつけください。We will soon be arriving at Imamiya. Station number 018. The doors on the right side will open. Please change here.
Okay, we're now here, finally. Alright, after 5 stops.
方面行きです。
Okay, let's go into the Universal Studios Osaka, Japan. Oh. Can I sit? Can I sit? Oh. One stop na lang and we're on the way to Universal Studios. Yes, we're on our way to Universal Studios. For USJ. Yes, and we're here. Yes! This is exciting. Finally, from our place to the exciting place. I think not exciting, is that where is it? The fly. No, this is Universal. Ito na po.
Okay.
We'll use the stairs there. Hmm. Ito, sakto lang. Alright. So this will be exciting. Kasi nasa USG na tayo. Exciting na. Dito na tayo. Buti natuloy na, unlike so I conclude this Japan memorable trip than the last that my cousins get sick. Where's the way to Universal?
Ito. Tagal yung dalawa.
Where are they? So let's look at the view. We can check in there sana sa hotel. Yes! Yeah, finally. So this is the second time that I go because the first time we went is in the US. So the Universal Studios really originated from the United States of America, but now we are here in Japan. Sa dapat 2023 tayo pumunta, but things happen, some problems happen. So here we go. We are here. Boys. Mati, Makam. We're going to Mario. So if I were me, I don't want in the big. JM bang, shout out po kila JM who went here 2 times. Gap. Oh my God. Good. Yeah, it's fine. I will walk properly. So, yeah. So, buti konti pa ang tao.
There's King Kong.
There's King Kong, oh. Sana pwede tayong tumagal dito hanggang gabi lang, no? Boys, Matthew, we can stay here until evening. We watch the fireworks here. What is it? Yeah. Mami, alam mo kung pwede tayong gabihin dito. Mario. Oo, relax lang. Hanggang gabi tayo dito. Xianhao. Pwede tayo lang, pwede tayo mag-breakfast or no?
Bili muna tayo ng ticket.
I. So, yeah, we'll buy ticket. Mami, I'm so happy because natupad na yung magical, last time was Hong Kong Disneyland and Universal Studios in
same year
US.
yun,
So Sana mabalik ulit. Next time, Tokyo Disneyland naman. Or Warner Bros. Mga pinapanood natin. Oh my God, balik na. Leave his kanyang behavior. Ito na. This is Walt Disney, California. So this is US style. Won't regret it. Guys, you see this? Wow! Aside from Universal, we go to the Japanese rides. Wow. Ninang, I don't want... No, I don't want to ride in that.
Why do you want to die?
Walang
kasama si mama.
No, ayokong kasama kasi na ano rin ako, takot rin ako sa ganitong rides. Ninang, ayokong pumunta doon. Mami, I don't wanna ride there. No, hindi ko kaya. Yung pinipilit ko. Yeah, ma-appreciate nyo yun. Look at me, I don't wanna ride that one. Please, so don't feel it. Oh, ride ka ba dyan?
Maybe. If it's not cold,
Hindi ko kaya yan.